Okay, the next stitch that I would like to teach you is to crochet 2 single crochets together. Now this is not spelled out here, but in the diagram, if you were doing a diagram pattern, they would have 2. It's like a little V with the 2 little slashes. Basically, it's the 2 single crochet stitch joined together and then a little stitch, a little slash like that. So it's like an upside down V with the little slashes. It's abbreviated in a written pattern sc2tog, which stands for single crochet 2 together. So if it was written out, it would actually say single crochet 2 together. But here, usually people don't want to write out all that long line, so you just abbreviate it. So here I'm going to show you, I have a couple rows here of my single crochet stitches. Just there, that's the first row, and here I just started a couple single crochets to get started so I could show you what this stitch looks like. Now here then we have the first row, then the second row. It might be on the first stitches or wherever it tells you. Your pattern would then tell you to single crochet 2 together. The reason that you would be working 2 stitches together is so that you could decrease, and it's used for shaping. So we will turn these 2 stitches into only 1 stitch. Sometimes you'll also see single crochet decrease, SC and then space DEC, so it's a single crochet decrease, but usually it's written single crochet 2 together like this with the SC and then 2 TOG. Okay, so here to single crochet 2 together, remember the single crochet, we don't yarn over. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go into the next stitch. Basically, you're working over 2 stitches to create 1 stitch. So here, we're going to go into the first stitch, pull out our yarn. So there'll be 2 loops of yarn on the hook, but we're not going to close it yet. Now we have those 2 loops. Now we're going to go into the next stitch, the second stitch, and we pull out, and now we will have 3 loops on the hook. You're going to grab that loop and go through all of them. So now, if we look up here, see, it looks like just 1 stitch. Even though here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. Here we've only created 1 stitch out of those 2. So here's 1, 2, 3 there, okay? So these 2 stitches have become 1 stitch. It's you single crochet 2 together, and you could see how it's going to shape the stitch. Let's do one more. So when you're single crocheting 2 together, you're working over the next 2 stitches, okay? So here we're going to go into the next stitch, pull out our yarn. There's 2 loops on our hook. We're not going to pull all the way through yet or close it yet. Go into the next stitch. So now here we're working over 2 stitches. See here, 1, 2. Those are 2 single crochets, so single crochet 2 of these together. So we're going to yarn over, not yarn over, well, we're going to grab our yarn and we're going to go through all 3 loops. And now you can see that we've turned all these 4 stitches into 2 stitches. 1, 2. Let me do that one more time so I could show you. Go into the next stitch. Don't close it off yet. Go into the following stitch. So we're working over 2 stitches, turning 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Pull through all 3, and see, now you could see how this has shrunk or shaped my stitches here, where before it was a straight. Remember how it was all just straight across? Now it's turning, so you could use it for shaping or your different patterns. The last one, I only have 1 stitch in there left, so I'm just going to do my last single crochet in here. And now you can see that we have turned those stitches. So these 2 stitches we're going to turn into 1, these 2 into 1, and then those 2 into 1. So you have decreased, and now look at the shape that you get. So that is what we would get when we were, that is a single crochet 2 together. Usually you won't do that many in a row. It might be spaced off with other stitches, but this is another way that you could shape collars, different things like that. So I hope you like this. Now we will go on to the next stitch.